السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. اليوم الرياضي. اليوم الرياضي. Sports day. اليوم الرياضي means sports day. يوم day رياضي means sports. أقامت مدرستنا في الأسبوع الماضي حفلا رياضيا كبيرا. أقامت معنى arranged, organized. Our school مدرستنا our school arranged في الأسبوع الماضي last week. الأسبوع الماضي last week حفلا رياضيا sports competition. حفلا رياضيا means sports competition. Alright. حفلا means any arrangement. رياضيا means sports. كبيرا huge or big sports competition. Grand sports competition. حضر came fathers. All the fathers came. All the fathers came. Or all the fathers were present. لمشاهدة to see أبنائهم to see their children, to see their sons. مشاهدة means seeing, viewing, or watching, something like that. حضر الآباء. All the fathers came to see their sons. أبناء means son, sons. Okay. جلسوا they sat. جلسوا they sat في الملعب الكبير on the big field. Alright. They stayed in the big field. بدأ الحفل. The competition started. بدأ means started. الحفل means the competition started باستعراض رياضي. The competition started with the exhibition of sports or different types of sports. استعراض means to show something. رياضي means sports. The competition started with the exhibition of the sports لجميع تلاميذ المدرسة. With all the students of the school. With all the students of the school. لجميع means all تلاميذ students. All the students of the school. الذين they ساروا بملابسهم الرياضية الجميلة في صفوف منتظمة. They started moving. ساروا means they started moving. بملابسهم with their dresses. رياضية means with their sports dresses. With their sports dresses الجميلة with their nice beautiful sports dresses. في صفوف منتظمة. في صفوف منتظمة means in an organized line. In organized lines. Okay. They became they were moving through a line. صفوف means line. صفوف means many lines. منتظمة arranged. Okay. Well arranged. In well arranged lines they were going through, something like that. وبعد أن وقف التلاميذ after after stopping, after all the students stopped, after they stopped on their places في ساحة الملعب, in the field. ساحة الملعب means in the field. بدأوا they started تمرينات الرياضية. بدأوا التمرينات. They started started doing playing sports. Started doing sports activities. تمرين means activities. رياضية means sports. في نظام ونشاط, being organized and actively. على أنغام موسيقي. With the with the sound of music. And أنغام means sound. Okay, little أنغام is very soft sound of music. With soft sound of music they started doing their activities, sports activities. في مسابقة الجرى, in the race competition. فاز. فاز means صفنا. Our class became the winner. فاز means winner. فاز became winner. Our class became winner في سباق 100 متر. Okay, in the 100-meter race competition. In the 100-meter race competition, our class became the winner. وفي القفز العالي, and with the what should I say, long jump, high jump. في القفز العالي means high jump. In the sports of high jump, قفز means jump. العالي means high jump. قفز صديقي, my friend jumped. Ahmad, my friend Ahmad jumped أعلى highest. Okay, he jumped the highest. Okay, his jump was the most highest. أعلى من الجميع. أعلى means highest. ثم أقيمت مباراة قصيرة. Then a short match was arranged. أقيمت means arranged. مباراة قصيرة short match was arranged في كرة القدم. A short football match. What match? Short football match was arranged. كرة القدم بين صفنا in our classes. وصف بين صفنا والصف الثاني with our class and with the with the second class. All right, that means with class 2. صف الثاني means we can say class 2. So a football match was arranged there with between our class and with the what, class 2. وفاز فريقنا and our team won. Our team became the winner. Our team won بالمباراة. Our team won the tournament. وفي آخر uh, وفي آخر الحفل at the end of the arrangement وزعت الجوائز. The prizes were distributed. وزع means وزع was distributing. The وزعت الجوائز means prizes were distributed على الفائزين among the winners. Those who won, they got the prize. وقد حصل صفنا, and our class became successful. Our class received على كأس البطولة. Received what? The champion cup. هذا العام. This year our class won the champion cup. كأس البطولة means cup of the winner, something like that. كأس means cup, بطولة means champion. هذا العام, this year. حصل means received. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.